16 years after 7 employees were killed inside a Palatine restaurant, the last suspect is going on trial. Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I'm SYLVIA PEREZ.
I'm Jose Sanders in for Linda today. Opening statements begin today in the James Degorski murder trial. He is the second of 2 men accused of killing 7 people at a Brown's Chicken and Pasta restaurant in Palatine back in 1973. ABC 7's Evelyn Holmes joins us now live from the Cook County Criminal Courts building with more. Evelyn?
Jose, the second man accused of committing the murders that were a mystery for 9 years, will finally get his day in court. Just moments ago, the capital murder trial of James Degorski began. In the meantime, some victims' families arrived for the start, hoping for some sort of closure and also a guilty verdict. But they realize that guilty verdict is far from a done deal. Some 16 years after their loved ones were murdered inside a suburban fast food restaurant, victims' families brace for another trial.
That's extremely emotional. I mean, it's very hard for all of us, especially my mother.
Opening arguments get underway in the capital murder case of James Degorski. He's the second of 2 men accused of killing the owners of a Brown's Chicken and Pasta restaurant in Palatine, along with 5 of their employees during a January 8, 1993 robbery. The conviction and life sentence given to Degorski's co-defendant and high school friend Juan Luna came in May of 2007. As some victims' relatives say, this trial of the last suspect could mean closure.
I don't think any of us will have any closure. I mean, of course, we want the proceedings to go on and, we want justice served, but I don't think we'll ever have any closure.
Both Degorski and Luna were arrested in May of 2002 after Degorski's ex-girlfriend told police they confessed to her about their roles in the slayings. Court watchers say although prosecutors were able to get a guilty verdict in Luna's trial because they had DNA evidence along with a lengthy videotape confession from him, convicting Degorski may be more difficult because of a lack of hard evidence linking him to the crime.
We have circumstantial evidence putting him at the scene. We have circumstantial evidence that he committed the crime. We have circumstantial evidence that he was involved and that he actually committed the murders.
It appears the prosecution understands that this is an uphill battle. The jury will not hear the videotape confession of Juan Luna. What they will hear, though, are 2 key prosecution witnesses. That would be Degorski's ex-girlfriend and also another friend of Degorski's. Both these women say that Degorski told them about his role in the slayings. In the meantime, we are told as well that prosecutors are ready to go, but are going to have to deal with the fact that lack of hard evidence. Opening arguments begin this morning. Reporting live from the Cook County Criminal Courts building here at 26th in California, Evelyn Holmes, ABC 7 News. Jose, back to you.
Evelyn, thank you so much. And jury selection begins today for Correll Weeks, charged in the fatal shooting.